And these are three quite hard looking questions, which involves addition and subtraction of numbers raised to a negative power. But if you just follow the simple rules, then it's quite manageable. So a reminder first of all, 2 to the power of negative 3 just means 1 over 2 cubed. And 4 to the power of minus 1 just means 1 over 4 to the power of 1. Now 2 cubed, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So it's 1 over 8. And 4 to the power of 1 is just 4. So they become two unit fractions, 1 over 8 plus 1 over 4. Now the trick here is to convert the two fractions to have the same denominator. And I can times either of these fractions by a number to make them have the same denominator. Now what do both 8 and 4 go into? Well, 8 and 4 go into 8, because I can double the top and bottom here and it becomes 2 over 8. So if I keep that the same, that's 1/8. If I times the top and bottom by 2, I get 2 over 8. And when you add fractions, when you've got the same denominator, you just do the tops added together, 1 plus 2 is 3, and leave the bottoms the same, so over 8. The answer is 3/8. So again, we can only add fractions when we have the same denominator. We have to times one or both the fractions to achieve that aim. The second one, 10 to the power of negative 1 is 1 over 10 to the power of 1. 2 to the power of minus 2 is 1 over 2 squared. 10 to the power of 1 is just 10, and 2 squared is just 4. So we have a problem here. What do 10 and 4 both go into? Well, if you imagine your 10 times table and your 4 times table, then 10 and 4 both go into 20. So I can write them both over 20, because if I double 10, I get to 20. So I double 1 to get to 2. And there are 5 4s in 20. That's been times by 5, so times the top by 5. 5/20. Then you add the tops and leave the bottoms. So 7/20. Now we do a subtraction the same way, no different at all. So it's 1 over 7 to the power of 1. Take away 1 over 2 to the power of 1. Well, 7 to the power of 1 is 7, and 2 to the power of 1 is 2. Now, if you write down your 7 times table and your 2 times table, they both go into 14. So 7 times 2 is 14, so times the top by 2. 2 times 7 is 14, so times the top by 7. And be very careful. 2 take away 7, that's actually minus 5. And then leave the bottoms 14. Some quite complex questions there, but ones which if you work at and really think about carefully, you should be able to understand and attempt and get right.